So we've got a series of medical STL files based on DICOMs from CT scans or MRIs, and we're going to bring them into here and see what we have and potentially clean them up. In this case, we'll do it manually, but down the line, we may talk about doing it through Python scripts as well. So first things first, I'm going to import STLs. And remember, if you're unable to bring in things in a particular file format, you can go to Preferences and check your add-ons to make sure that you're able to import or export particular types of items. So anyway, I'm going to import STLs. And let's just take a minute and there we go. Start grabbing a few of these. Now the problem is this might take a moment. So I will edit this out and jump back in with you shortly. So I've just brought in a number of STL files, but we can't see them. The reasoning is, there they are. So that's one of the many issues that we're going to have to deal with is the scaling. Additionally, we're going to also want to look at the number of vertices that I now have in this scene. I've got 2.25 million vertices. So one of the next sets of steps is going to be just working through a variety of things to make these workable in a realistic scenario, particularly if you're going to be using these on a headset or something along those lines. So we'll be taking that up more in the next couple of videos.